Hi, I'm Xenowave, and today I'm going to show you how I made this sound. Okay, so starting off, we have a unison order of 9 with oscillators only turned on. I have the usual 100% for panning and volume, and I have my detune over here at around 67% and phase at around 78%, and sub and envelope are 0% as usual. Operator 1 is just an additive saw wave, saw and then correct sine harmonics. And that's it for operator 1. And the filters for filter 1 it's off, but I have just a regular wave shaper on, and I route that or serialize that into filter 2, which is a low pass filter, the Lime low pass filter with no resonance, default cutoff and default cutoff envelope. And I have this envelope shape for the volume, and I have this envelope shape for the cutoff. So if I were to change this, it would sound drastically different. So same with this. I wanted the volume to fade in because if I actually turn this off, it will sound a little different. That's fine too, but I wanted that sort of effect that you get with this shape. And I'm just routing the cutoff as well to mod X, so it can have that opening and closing effect, as you can see with this automation. Filter done. Okay. For the FX, I have regular chorus on and reverb is on with low cut up to whatever desired percentage. You can't quite control these as these sliders. And I have regular delay on, and that's the sound. If there's any questions, just let me know. And have a good day.